You got my joints, nigga.
Who?
Damn, fuck your joints.
Motherfucker.
You damn?
P.D. Weeshaw, the devil's son-in-law.
Oh, we can do that terms.
Oh, yeah.
Do whatever you want, John.
Done, son.
I love it when they call me Big
And I say. He had to get bass on it. What's up? Mix Nuts, MixxCompany, P-Man, crew. Say what's good. Pow!
You should say what's good.
Yeah.
What's up? It's your boy Case. To my left, you got your man, Mr. Horse and Carriage, a.k.a. Big Dave in the house. Yo, keep following us on YouTube. Yo, make sure you subscribing, you're liking, you're sharing. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Keep your boys alive, man. We do this all for you.
What you kid doing over here, man?
What you doing in the middle of the show?
Oh, shit.
You want some filling and shit?
So unprofessional and shit.
Shut up.
Yo, that hat don't go with shit.
That's right.
Just saying.
See, that's how we doing over here. Remember back in the day, you matched everything with everything and shit? I got the red hat with the red Nikes. I got the red belt. And my fucking red Nike
A
shirt.
lot of coordinating going on.
Gotta coordinate.
And I don't coordinate.
Is this on film?
No. Damn, oh. Damn, yo, oh. Hello. Wow.
Not tonight, hello.
Not tonight, hello.
He said, oh.
Wait up. Whoa, one French
Yeah. Sorry, y'all. I had to go over there and hit something over there.
Hit something over there. Sorry, girl. I had to go over there, hit something over there, hit something over there.
Yeah,
Look at the party rocking.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, what up, man? So how y'all feeling, man? Y'all having feeling good?
Man. Yeah.
You alright then?
Man.
Ain't alright.
It's football season, man. Y'all like
It
that?
is.
Yeah.
It is, man.
Yeah, you know.
My boys pulled out one. I mean, who
Anybody
that?
ask
Who
you
your
that?
team, P?
Who that? Come on, man. You know that. Who that, baby? I'm saying, baby.
Team, baby. Then who your team?
Come on, man.
The G-Man.
That's all I gotta say, son.
Yo. Shout out Giants, y'all. I'm a Bolts fan, San Diego Bolts. Always San Diego Bolts to me. I don't care where they move to. But that arena is dope. SoFi Arena. I'll be coming to see you
It's
soon.
so fine.
And fuck y'all Raiders, we kick that ass. We gonna kick y'all ass again. I know y'all don't like it. Y'all don't like it. Y'all don't like it. Hit that little
That ain't it.
Never mind.
That ain't it.
Fuck that all up. Alright.
Hey, one of them, Dave. Hit one of them.
You gonna hear the one?
See?
Yeah,
You hear the one shit that you gonna be like, VS.
You ain't got that shit on what?
What?
You ain't got that shit on what, man.
That's the music.
Everything else is good.
Hey, that's good.
Yeah.
Yo, that's good.
Yeah, it
That was
is.
it.
Yo.
It's the moment passed like a
That's
motherfucker.
growing pains like a motherfucker.
Try it again. Keep
Yo.
Dave, hit it. What he said.
What I say? Oh, yo.
Take two.
Jesus fuck. This whole scene is out of
Yo,
order.
fuck that shit. Hit it. That's the best I can do. I know what the fuck we
that's
said
what I'm
before
talking
that
about.
shit.
See, that's how we roll. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, never a dull moment.
Hey,
goddamn.
edited shit.
Yeah, we can fix that. We can fix that.
Yeah, we can fix that shit.
Don't worry about it.
But we won't fix that shit, so fuck it,
Yeah,
whatever.
it's authentic. Goddamn it. We
Alright, what's
don't
up?
apologize for shit.
That's some old school.
Old school.
That's some
Goddamn.
old school shit right there. I'm thinking about
goddamn
some
right.
old school shit.
Oh shit. Here we
I
go.
got old school right here. Grandmama.
Word. Shout out to Grandma Ma now.
It's clean.
Get off my
Fuck
shit.
that shit. I got old school. I got motherfucking Muhammad Ali nigga looking over that
I don't have
motherfucking
none of
shit.
it. I ain't got shit.
Coca-Cola, much more old school than Coca-Cola, nigga. That shit old
Oh,
school
man,
as
but
fuck.
that ain't fashionable though.
It is.
See, I had fucked my own shit
Okay,
up.
Twan. Alright. Yo, old school shit, yo. You remember, it's a lot of fucking old school medical conditions that don't seem to exist now.
Yo,
It
word.
was real prevalent back in the day.
I like
For
this.
example.
I like where we going here. This
For example,
Your word.
motherfuckers don't stutter no more like they used to. Remember back in the day, be like,
was that an ailment?
hello.
Hell yeah.
Was
it's like-
that something you can take to stop you from stuttering though?
I don't know what happened.
I
Maybe
think,
fucking.
yeah, it was like speech class and shit.
I'm saying, did the pill come out to keep
Well,
you
they
from
said
stuttering?
it was
'Cause went
all.
away.
I think it was all nerves and shit. And I would think now, motherfucker, be more nervous in this world than any
I
time.
think
But
it's the steroids in the meat.
yeah, everything they putting out them
motherfuckers
hormones and our meat made everything better.
And shit.
And stutter motherfuckers never used to care about their stuttering either. They
Nah,
make us
they
wait
ain't
and shit like.
And it didn't matter, right, if they were nervous or not or anything, right?
They got American Stutter Society gonna fucking
Yeah,
flag
they-
us.
they-
Are we gonna leave it what?
They gonna be like, we're not cool
Yeah.
None of that.
American Stutter Society. I'm sorry.
I'll fuck you up, you bastard.
I had a joke when I sat on stage and it didn't go too well, but I mean, if a motherfucker was stuttering and he was getting some ass and shit, and he said he about to come, he said about to. I mean, it's just kind of funny. You gotta go see this shit on stand up.
I like it.
Yeah, I got this.
You know what you don't see no more either though?
What you gonna say?
Cross-eyed motherfuckers.
Or like the real cross-eyed motherfucker.
We are really stuck into
I
it.
never close my eyes like that shit, but I wish I could and shit.
And they see normal. Why we think so?
Real joke and shit.
Why we think they see like they don't see normal? They see
Nah,
normal.
it's
No, they see
Yeah,
normal,
but
which doesn't make any sense.
But now you only got one, like you had 50% cross-eye. You got one lazy eye and a regular normal eye. You used to have two dingling eyes, son. Like,
Nah. But speaking of lazy eye, they don't got the real lazy eye no
the
more.
shit
One
that-
eye is here, and the other one is like over
some-
there.
Well,
Or some
the other one
Muppet
is-
show type
And
of
once
shit.
again, they both can see. I thought that
okay.
you should be
Yeah.
able to see two ways, like two
Oh, my
lenses and
God.
shit. Like this eye seeing straight, and this eye seeing the side like a bird and
Yeah, this
shit.
shit's getting
fucked
dark,
up.
but it's funny to me. You know what we don't see as well? Yo, used to be mad niggas with the little half a limb when we was little and shit.
Oh, baby,
mad birth defects and shit.
Yeah,
Like,
some old retarded arm and shit.
I don't see that no more though.
Yeah, that old stick you quaid
It
shit.
was always somebody in
seems
class with
that
the
really
baby
seems
limbs,
like
huh?
we should see more of that because of the fucked up shit that they putting out
Yeah.
for. You think you would see more
They
people?
probably went to their own
with bad
society because they
conditions.
was sick of us looking at them like they were weirdos and shit.
Yo, that
they
shit
probably
is-
went to their own colony.
Nah, I
and
mean,
shit.
and you know, it's fucked up. You know what I'm saying? You seem like you did see it more often back there. I think
Well,
they could
you
detect. I think they could detect a lot more stuff in
But it does.
the womb than they used to.
It does.
I think they
Crazy.
just rush your ass out of the hospital and put you in a special school.
But it does raise the question: if a cockeyed motherfucker was looking at himself in the mirror and shit, and he
What'd
took a
he
picture of it, would he look at the picture and be like, "Yeah, my eyes are fucked up," or would he be like, "No, I look straight. What's the big deal?"
Nah, he know.
Because when I'm dyslexic, when I read, I read fucked up. So
Nah, he know. He know his eyes are stupid. Everybody know. I don't know. It's just,
Everybody was just accepting that
This is
shit.
ridiculous.
I tell you what, you don't see anymore.
Oh, my
Speaking of
God.
eyes,
He said
you
the
don't see
stupid
them
eyes.
super thick ass Coke bottle glasses and
yeah,
shit.
bifocal.
the bifocal
them
joints?
Benny Hill joints and shit.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah, we
goddamn.
had a
I'm glad they
Nutty
fixed that
Professor
shit.
shit?
That wasn't
Yeah.
fair and shit because just because I can't see that good, I gotta wear these big ass, thick
yeah,
ass.
you was nobody's
But I
getting
guess
a
they
pass.
ain't care because now I can see and shit. But
Well,
nobody
nobody was getting a pass.
Well,
with
see,
them
I
shits
get,
on.
but you won't see that because
Yo,
technology
some
caught up
funny
to that.
shit. Everybody had Coke bottle glasses in my hood. Could fight.
Well,
cause
shit, they
yeah,
can
the
see all the
fucking-
punches
You had
coming.
Coke, yo, yeah, that's
Torment
true.
and shit.
They see it when you're thinking about that shit.
They can see the punch before you throw it. They see it
they
like
see
some
the
Matrix
They
shit.
see the anger in your soul and shit.
Yeah, they already
see
know
the
that
anger in
right
your
hook.
aura. They see your
Word.
aura and shit.
Yeah, that right hook is coming. They already see that
Oh,
shit.
he about to swing and shit.
He's about to swing and
Nah,
shit.
I mean, they was violent. They could beat your ass and shit.
But there's a reason for that. I'm saying because technology caught up and they made simple glasses and shit. But yeah, all the other shit.
And all that corrected everything we said. That's why you don't see cross-eyed motherfuckers.
Cross-eyed, but is there a pill you can
don't
take?
see mugs with the club foot and they got the dumb thick sole.
Oh, you got the
Yeah,
big
yeah,
ass
yeah.
fucking.
I ain't seen
Oh, you got
one
the
of
big
them.
Herman
Club shoe,
monster.
I ain't seen one of them since the Chuck Norris movie.
I think they just said,
Oh,
yeah, you can't do that no
half-ass
more, man. Just limp. Nobody wants to see you with a
That
shoe
shit
like
fucked up.
a stiletto and a fucking
Word. You said stiletto and
Chinese
a-
slipper and a
You
stiletto.
got a
or
Herman
something.
monster and a stiletto and shit. Word. That's fucked
Yeah,
up.
I know there's a little bit of subject. They still got wood shop in high school.
Yeah.
You remember every wood shop teacher had a finger missing?
It seemed like
It's like a prerequisite
from
to
his
be a
early
guy.
days, right?
He's
Yeah, like
shaving
a
all that
prerequisite.
shit.
Our early days of woodshop.
Every wood shop teacher was like this.
I'll
Like,
give you that one. 'Cause that's true.
like,
as
yo,
fuck.
you got a degree in this shit. You want me to catch
turn
up?
like a motherfucker? He said, yeah.
It's just,
Wow.
you don't see that no more either. I
Bro,
guess-
do they still have woodshop?
I think they do.
That's a real question. Do they still have
I
woodshop?
don't think they do.
Word?
Yeah, I don't think they do.
I don't think that's still as elective anymore.
Nah, I think a student might have got
Back
hurt
then,
for
they
it.
do all the stupid motherfuckers in the wood shop and shit. We can tell these a couple of credits
all
and
these
shit. We can get
cross-eyed
two
ass.
credits and shit.
Say bifocal cross-eyed motherfuckers and shit. They gotta keep their
Motherfucking
wrong
misfits
for
ain't
this
gonna
shit.
graduate anyway. At least you can learn how to make some furniture, because that's all you're gonna do in life anyway.
But we had a dude.
They're getting out there at 11th. You be all right.
Word. It's fucked up. Why are you jumping over motherfuckers on this
I got a
one?
bunch
But
of-
I had a super cross-eyed dude at work. This motherfucker's eyes were retarded, bro. To the point where it didn't look. I mean,
Yeah.
you had to look. He made it uncomfortable for you because you didn't know
Right.
where to aim at.
So he vintage.
You're like, holy shit, yeah, he is straight.
Yeah.
They're
Go
going.
back.
I mean, you said the stupid
Them
eyes.
taking advantage of the free vision.
Yeah.
yet,
Yeah,
right?
the dummy
The
eyes.
vision insurance didn't kick in yet.
Oh my god! And I had posed the question to him one time. I said, "Yo, man, I mean, shit. I'm gonna state the obvious. Everybody, you know, I'm sure you heard this before. Why your eyes all fucking stupid and shit?" He's
I don't think there's an answer for that shit.
He just looked at me like, you know what? I can't tell. He said some stupid shit. I was like, damn. I said, but you hear this though? He said, yeah. People tell me all the time.
This show,
I don't know what they're talking about.
This show's all over the place, but fuck it. Yo, it used to be the myth if you cross your eyes and you slapped in the back of the head, they stay that way.
I, not to that effect, but I was told if I kept my eyes crossed, they would stay like that. Not necessarily somebody whack
like,
me.
Yo, somebody whack you while your shit is crossed.
Get a legend. Fuck, we talking about
stay that way.
We talking about get legends. Have y'all ever looked in the mirror in the dark and did that a Bloody Mary?
Word, all that stupid shit.
Goofy shit.
I ain't never did. I was too scared and shit.
But if you were doing some cross-eyed shit and you looked at a cross-eyed motherfucker and shit, what do you like? Hey, did he see you as normal and shit?
Yeah, they can see. They just look dumb. They just look stupid. They can see though.
Don't act like it's just us. Y'all know that shit.
Before y'all start to judge yourself, motherfucker. You always been saying this to yourself, but you never want to say it out loud.
You saw them cross-eyed, goofy looking.
That's why you can blame us. We say all the shit that you want to say.
Exactly. You saw that shit, and you looked at. You know you looked away.
Scared to go to HR.
You looked away from him because you was like, "Oh, this is uncomfortable." Because you felt
a good heart though, man.
Of course. I mean, most definitely. What we're saying is because you know. The public wants to hear
You don't see that no more. The stutter
shit.
Used to be mad people with the one front chip tooth.
Oh yeah, word. You wouldn't know, motherfucker. Your uncle would have a chip tooth for life.
That shit
From the
crazy.
time he was a little to the time he died, he had chip tooth.
And he wouldn't fix that
everybody
shit.
was cool about it. Not only was that, nobody even said anything about it. I guess after this motherfucker see with a chip tooth for so long, what you gonna say to the motherfucker when he's 40?
Chip
tooth bastard. Oh, that's original.
Yeah, okay. Well, what else you got? You cross-eyed fuck. I mean, what do you? I mean, what else you gonna say though? I'd rather have a chip tooth and stupid eyes. I mean, whatever, right?
Don't you don't see the motherfuckers with real nappy ass hair and shit.
I would love to see that shit.
Yeah,
I mean, the real like.
I seen that shit in the porn the other day. Word. I thought it was boy brain, son, because the chick hair was so nappy.
Some steel wool shit.
That shit was rough.
Wow.
I was like, yo, this is crazy.
Back in the day, they used to comb their hair, but Lord, it's just nappy, just look like a bunch of dots in this shit.
You know, that shit was whack. You go wet the comb and try to pull your shit out.
That's good job for natural back in the day, but throw some.
You know what I miss? I think I know why we don't see it, because they did have some pills come out there. But you remember, motherfucker, there was a couple of them in class that had the real shitty acne. And you were looking like, ooh, crater face ass.
Yeah, I'm more surprised when I see people now with really ass. They got strides and like
they got shit for it. They got pills you could take, but some motherfuckers still.
That shit never works, son. Them
the dumb ass big box fall on your ass and shit. The stupid commercial. Oxycute them.
That shit ain't work. There's a bunch of alcohol in a bag. Dry your face out.
Right? You can make some oxy pads.
You just take alcohol and wipe it on your face.
40 cents fucking rubbing alcohol in a cotton ball. You got some
I like to think there's one dude that was cursed. He don't believe in God because he probably have all the shit we talking about right now.
Nah, he
got cross-eyed.
Dipped you.
I was gonna say he probably got the cross-eyed, the stupid wig. I mean, he fucking chip too. He stutter and shit. You know what I'm saying? He's like, what you looking at? That'd be fucked up.
You gotta go to school with Professor X. You got all that shit.
Yeah, that's a circus motherfucker right there, right? Like, damn, bro. That's terrible. I mean, but you right.
Even that, man, like, used to be women with the little light goatee.
Oh, that was cool, right? No, like a little long ass hair, right?
That shit wasn't cool. It was never cool.
I'm a hit.
Back in the day, John, right?
I mean, I hit still. I mean,
it was never cool, but it was never cool. Women that had a little, you know.
You say might have, pull that shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, little long hairs too.
Yeah, like, long hairs. You know what I'm saying? My aunt T had a long hair.
You ain't never shaved it. You just had that shit.
That shit was curled too. Like, pull that black. It was black.
Yeah,
she was light skinned. Like, why the fuck? She was light skinned. She had the curly black hair. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, pick that shit.
Yeah, that's
it was scary as fuck.
That's vintage.
And she come in and give your auntie a kiss. No.
How come motherfuckers don't drink 40 ounces no more?
Because that shit get caught hot as fuck by the time you get to the bottom.
I mean, everybody ain't got money. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, somebody drink them. They still in the liquor store.
They still in the store.
30. How much them 32s cost? About $1.70. Was it $1.15?
Man.
About almost $2 or some shit.
$1 change for the
$1.15 or some shit.
Less than $2 for sure.
Yeah, boy.
Yo, I know they still somebody buying them. They still there, but I ain't see nobody with a bag and them fucking good ass fucking.
You ain't in the, but you ain't on the block no more.
never
on,
seen
kid.
like that, man.
You ain't
don't buy liquor at the hard times.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
you kind of
purchase a
you
dollar
sophisticated ass
that you buy
motherfucker.
$1.
You didn't
20
graduate, bro. You ain't on the block no more like that no more, kid.
And people know. So when you go to liquor store, they like, this motherfucker ain't getting a 40.
Word.
You can skip me, chief. You know how that go? They act like they looking around and just,
Yeah, those shit.
You done grab the IPA.
I ain't see nobody fucking purchase it. I'm like, yo, I know people still buying it.
Yeah,
They know you ain't buying it, so it's still like it's like buying a 40 is like having old school paper food stamps.
Word.
So you don't want nobody necessarily.
They still got
know
some
you
shits
do it.
out though. They
Nah.
got the
They got
card.
a card
They
now.
got the card, but they do still have the
They still got
fucking.
the paper
They still got the paper
joints?
joint.
They got the paper wick checks because I seen somebody get like 99 milks in front of me
Boy,
the
we
other
was
day.
Right.
I'm saying, boy, back in the day, we was eating like kings with that shit, girl.
Somebody paid me for that shit when I was babysitting. They paid me in food stamps. I was hot.
Yeah, man, you can't do
I
that.
take it as an adult now. Like, I take it.
Yeah, no
As a
shit.
kid, though, I just wanted to get
load up on
candy.
some milk and cheese. Like a
Ribs
motherfucker.
and shit.
I just wanted to get candy, and they fronted on me like, "Yo, you got the book?" I'm like, "Yo,
What, I need the fucking the manufacturer sticker.
what is this shit?
$10, man. What the fuck? I need the book
Fireball,
for,
right?
right?"
I need the
Fuck
government
that.
stamp on the food stamps.
Oh, shit.
Like,
Like,
all that
what if I
shit,
found it?
that
I
is
still need the
fucked.
book.
That is fucked.
Find us, keep it.
Shows all over the place.
Hey, this shit
Give me
is
something-
ridiculous.
give me something real, man.
Oh, you want something? You want what you want?
You want?
Just give me something
Yo, you
real.
imagine?
Oh, here we go,
Well,
goddamn.
here we go, goddamn it. Shit.
You say, yo, well, pull the fuck over there. What you got, Wave? See, you
What's
gotta
some
be
cool
crazy.
ass shit, yo? It's some terms that you can fucking say to stop motherfuckers from fucking with you and shit for everything and shit.
Word.
So check it out, like, yo,
What you mean?
I've been waiting for your ass for a fucking hour, man. You told me it was gonna be an hour ago. Yo, man. I had some shit going on with the family. You ain't gotta elaborate on that, nigga. Yeah, I had
Oh,
some shit
Samo,
going on.
just
some
stop
shit
you.
just-
Just
Some
Stop
good
the dead in
excuses?
tracks and shit. What?
Oh,
Without, I mean, a vague ass fucking
Right,
term
right,
without
right.
motherfucking have to elaborate on shit and
There
motherfuckers
you go.
don't stop in their tracks.
that'll
there
kill
you go.
everything.
They be like, "Yo, I got a lot on my plate."
Word. I love that lot of my place shit.
Yeah. Or just to flat out, y'all hit you back.
Shit, man, I was all over the place today.
Oh, you know what else? Know what they be saying? They be like, "Yo, man, why you late?" Old girl was tripping.
That's famous. I'm about to say that shit too.
said, yeah.
Everybody understand that? Like, oh, I understand.
Say what?
I get it. I
Yeah,
get it,
man. Homegirl tripping and shit. Yo. What's good? Yeah, nah, man. I'm trying to think of some stupid shit I've heard.
Or they hit you with it. I'm here now.
Bird. Yeah, I fuck with that. Be like, oh shit, I'm trying.
I'm
You
good.
really pulled it back there, down. Weave. You got me thinking this shit. I'm like, goddamn.
Stupid sayings.
A bunch of old, shut it down.
You ain't gotta elaborate on none of them shit. Like,
I tell you one thing, man, but niggas will fucking fact check on your ass. Some motherfuckers will fact check and be like, yo, man,
And them motherfuckers.
traffic was crazy.
oh, now
Oh, where?
the
On
facts-
the
that
side?
shit.
On the
It
side?
always worked forever. The motherfuckers looked at this shit, yo.
It's clear.
I
It was
swear,
been clear all morning.
everything. Wifey looked at us, she's like, yo, I looked at this shit was clear for like the last hour. I'm like,
Yeah,
oh, you don't believe me? You think I'm making that? You gotta turn on that
Oh,
shit.
yeah, well, fuck it
Oh,
then.
shit. You think I'm lying?
Yo, you gotta turn it up at that point.
I ain't go that
Then you
way.
got double cross shit. You think you know the only route home and shit?
Oh yeah.
Way sent me this way.
I've used the witch card before when I was supposed to be somewhere. Man, the car tripping, dog. My fucking car.
Oh, take that way.
My car, man. This shit. Man.
Car, shit, was
Goddamn.
tripping and shit.
That
What
way.
I don't know
time
what's
and shit?
wrong and shit.
What time and shit?
Shit working good now, but
Yeah, I mean, shit, it's good now and shit, but yeah, that shit was bugging earlier, man. I
Or
tried
when
to-
they tell you everything and nothing at the same time, they be like, "Oh man, I had to go ahead and then some shit happened then, and
Yeah.
I went over there. Man, the whole shit was crazy, man.
You're like, what?
I'm just happy I'm
So
here
what
now.
happened?
I'm just happy I'm here now.
Man, I'm telling you right now.
you can do a combo on the motherfuckers. Man, my girl tripping, man, all over the place, man. Working fucked up, man.
Man, the car, man.
I'm going through
The
it.
car tripping.
I'm going through
He
it.
said, man, Aaron got a lot on my
I said,
plate.
man, I'm going through it, man. Shit. He said, yeah, I'll tell you right now, man.
Throw the combo on him. All right, nigga, just get in the car. Let's go.
He said,
Yeah,
yo, man.
man. Shit, my baby mama tripping, man.
He say, man, yo, you got my $50, bro? Oh, man.
Oh, man, I got,
man.
oh, God, man, I got a lot
Yeah,
of
man, you
That's
know,
fucked up, man.
man,
But they be
you
like,
know,
yo, man, I couldn't get the kids down, man. They ain't want to go to sleep tonight.
Oh man, shit. Yeah, I got you, man. You know what I'm saying? I got you. Or somebody just ain't really, they just shut it and don't even answer shit. Yo, what my shit? Yeah, I got you. I mean, right now you got me? Yeah, I got you. Don't even
got
trip.
me, get me.
I don't even trip. Don't even trip, nigga. I got you.
I got you.
Come on, man. I got
You know,
you.
this is me, man.
Come on, dog. You know how we
Come
do.
on, man. Get in the car. Let's go to the car.
I know, but I need that right now, though. Come on, man.
But I feel you. You know I wouldn't do that to you.
Oh, yeah, the dancing around shit.
You know I know you needed this shit, so I'm gonna make sure I get that to you. So what's
No, because I know
man?
you need that shit. And you know I'm good for it, bro. I got you.
You know when you ain't gonna get it.
No, nigga, this is me. Nigga, this is me.
Nigga, stop tripping.
You know
nigga,
when you ain't gonna get
nigga,
it.
Then I pay
They
you.
be like,
Then
yo.
I get you back like 7 years ago. But
This how you
this
know.
was crucial.
They be like, yo, let me holler at you for a minute.
Oh yeah, you hear that? Oh, I hear that in comedy all the time. And shit. Like, yo, you got my shit?
Let me holler
Oh
at you.
man, you know we kind of light tonight and shit.
Light and shit.
Hey, yeah,
Yeah,
do
let
it,
me-
man.
oh, anything to entertain
the
right?
crowd like we
Oh,
thought
man.
we was going to. You saw the crowd and
Yo,
shit. You know what I'm saying?
and everybody was
What that got to do with that
promoting.
negotiation and shit?
No, but I was already set on something before, regardless. You got to take the L on that. Oh, man, you know what I'm saying? Look, I got you.
Everybody
Hold
knows
up.
it's a walk uptown.
Yeah, that ain't cool. Oh, yeah, I even give you a scary one that you probably heard that you call your girl and be like, yo, what's up? We need to talk.
Nobody wants to hear that shit.
You hear that shit, you like, oh.
First thing you say, niggas like, damn, she pregnant.
That's what I'm saying, but they don't say nothing outside of that. So your mind is fucked
I don't
up.
like what they say in the beginning, yo. When you get home, I gotta talk to you.
Oh, yeah. Which
Why don't you just talk to me when I get home? Why you gotta do the preface and shit?
Yeah,
now I gotta
I-
think about that shit all
all
the way
day.
home.
And they'll leave you
Got a
hanging.
possibility of
They'll leave you
wrong and
hanging.
shit.
So
What's some shit we could say that
I haven't had
fucking-
that. Somebody said that to me in a while, but the last person that said that shit, it was on my mind. They was like, "Yo, we need to talk tonight." And I was like, "Yeah, we do need to talk."
Yeah, that's the counter to it, right? That's the serve back, right?
Hot potato your ass. How this
One
motherfucker?
up you, yeah.
I'm gonna stress your ass out.
I'm glad you feel that way.
I
We
see
do
you and
need to
I
talk.
raise you, motherfucker.
I'm glad you feel that way because we do need to
Yo,
talk.
yeah, we definitely need to talk.
Word.
I was hoping, yeah.
She
So
was like,
you gonna be
what?
home later, right? Yeah.
She was like, "What?"
Now we both like this and shit.
Yeah, all day
Now we
with that.
both like this and shit. Like, what the fuck?
Cause she was like, "What?" I'm like, "Yeah, we need to talk."
Yeah,
We definitely need to talk. So, fellas,
I see you when I get home.
so if
I'ma
you
let
ever
you go
hear that
first,
shit,
though.
fellas, that's that. We throwing you one right there. You ever hear that out there? Throw it back
Give
at
me boom.
him.
We call it boomerang. And
Yeah, that's how you whip a pill that shit right back to their
shit. Bro,
ass.
a boomerang or a slingshot.
There you go. You be like, yeah, we do need to talk.
Throw it to me. I throw it back.
Word.
God damn it. And you say it with some authority. Oh, hell yeah, we do need to talk.
We
God damn it.
we definitely
Yo,
need to talk.
you gonna be home later? Cause I gotta. Yeah, hell yeah, we need to talk.
We definitely need to talk. So make sure you home when I get home.
Say word.
You say it with some assertiveness, you're gonna be like, oh shit. Well, maybe this ain't a good time to bring it up that I'm pregnant. Nah, and then you drop that shit on you like, oh, I was just gonna talk about. Did you record the game? I mean, you got to lighten it up. and
Nobody
shit.
want to hear that shit.
A lot of shit. Yeah, that's.
If you gotta talk to me later, you better talk to me now.
I say that shit now. Tell me now. Man. Don't fucking preface me.
Yeah,
and
don't
shit.
fucking.
Or
I
talk
don't
to me-
hear that
or
all.
Don't talk to me when I get back either. And shit.
Yeah,
If you
all
can't say it
day
right
shit.
now,
Don't
then
do
don't
that.
say anything.
Yeah,
and
don't
shit.
Word, don't do that, goddamn. I don't like that shit.
Fuck
But,
that shit.
but yeah, I like all that.
I need a girlfriend.
I'm about to watch Game of Thrones.
Dang, man, you need a girl right now?
Nah,
You don't need that shit. Goddamn.
Shit have happened when it's supposed to happen with that cliche shit.
Nah, man, fuck that.
Everything got its pluses and minuses. One thing about being single, you can bounce when you want to bounce. If you dating a girl,
I
she
was
getting on your
playing,
nerves,
I'm good.
You can leave.
Okay, let me ask you this, Dame. Since we
Ask me
swinging,
this.
since I didn't brought it up, what's the perks?
But what?
Give me the pros and the cons as quickly as you can about dating, being single, dating, however you want to fucking say.
the pros and the cons.
Pros and cons about it. Some
Pros
within-
and the cons.
Some quick. You know what I'm saying? Some quick. Give me the pros.
I give you a
Yeah,
pros
the
for you.
you
I
get
mean,
the
it's
fucking-
niggas
you
stop
can
and
do what
go,
you
come and
want.
go, shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
You ain't got nobody to answer to. That's
Of course.
the main pro.
No doubt.
That's we just leave it at that. You ain't got nobody to answer to.
Mm-hmm.
You do what the fuck you want to do. What
The
you
fuck
want to do.
you-
Well, ending relationships is way easier when you're single because you could be out. You got
You ain't in a relationship. You just single.
You just
ain't
do
in a
what you do.
relationship.
You can
Stop
cut the
and
dating
go.
out. You could. I'll tell you what the easiest shit when you single. I could jump in because I was single long enough and shit. You can end a relationship with literally without just talking to anybody
Yeah, yeah,
anymore.
yeah,
You can literally end a relationship without calling nobody back no
You
more,
just ghost
answering
the
their calls.
motherfucker.
and
Yeah,
shit.
you just-
You can slowly close the curtains. And
Nah,
shit.
you just ghost their ass. That shit just happened to me.
Yeah, you ain't even gotta get
Today,
in there.
before the show, somebody said something ridiculous and it's over for their ass.
See?
I also like the fact because you can raise the curtains back up.
Oh, yeah, anytime. You can't.
I decided now
I was
that the show is
tripping.
not over.
I was tripping.
We got some extra scenes.
I'm sorry. Let's play the rest of this.
You can do that as well.
Okay. What's your cons on it though?
The cons is somebody always catch feelings.
Ooh, good call.
Always.
Good
You
call.
only gonna fuck around for so long before you gonna get that.
And no matter
I like
what.
to call it before they want to renegotiate.
Yeah,
Right.
the
They
contract.
gonna want to
yes.
renegotiate and be like,
All the
we
time.
need to talk.
Good shit.
I don't care if they said we can do whatever we want. You can see what you want. You can see
They,
what you want.
I think when they say that, they know they saying something wrong.
Well, they say that, Jimmy, they know that you will definitely stay around for that, but they don't. Nobody actually means that shit. And if they actually meant that shit,
and the fucked up part, we was eating that shit up back then. Oh hell yeah, she know what's up.
Well, after a while, I knew that I was on ball time. So I'm gonna ride this shit until she throws the new contract at my ass, and then we'll have a carcass and shit like
Also, one of the cons is somehow the girl thinks y'all in a relationship. And you're not. You're
somebody
like,
don't know the whole
like,
shit, right? Somebody didn't.
Like, I never specifically said like you my woman or some shit like that.
Ain't nothing worse than an unspoke upon relationship where we didn't determine that this is where we're gonna get. You think just because time spent? Because not all, but some females just think that time spent equals relationship.
No doubt.
Yeah,
and even some guys think, hey, you see me 3 times a week, every week. We are boyfriend and girlfriend, but we never talked about.
And we hate giving them that.
And like I said, once again, this guy and male and female specific.
Yo, and you give them the E word, exclusive.
How are we exclusive when we never talked about being?
But they hate that word. True. They hate that. I'm saying, I'm feeling you, bro.
And people avoid the conversation about exclusivity because they don't want a denial. So
no doubt.
I just put ourselves in this fucking realm and shit. And then when I trip,
facts.
For me, lately though, I was telling Keith this the other day.
What were you telling?
Like, I'm gonna stop checking up on people, man. Like they become spoiled while you checking up on them.
See, that's an extra. That's going above and beyond.
They not going above and beyond.
They think
reciprocate. That's recuperate. Reciprocate.
That's single nigga shit. You still got to keep the rotation live or whatever. But you still going out your way. If you the only person reaching out. Even though it's successful.
Like, so how you doing? What's good? Type shit.
Yeah, man.
Just like, whatever.
I'm a person.
Oh, okay.
Shit, how's my morning? You know what I'm saying?
How am I doing?
Check on me.
How am I sexy?
Serve that back. Goddamn, you selfish ass women.
So I'm like, I'm gonna stop doing that, man.
Oh,
to the deservers.
To the deservers. There's some people who reach out, how you doing, and shit like that, but to the undeservers, your ass is grass.
Ooh.
I guess you can throw a heat check on, right? If you ain't talked to nobody in a while and you talk to them, they seem really excited.
And that's when you say,
all right, cool, okay, cool.
But I got that too. I got certain, like,
so let me holler at you.
It's one person in particular. Like, we ain't dating, we ain't none of that
What's
shit, right? I ain't gonna say.
What's her name?
What is that?
What's her initial?
I tell her.
What's the zodiac?
What it sound like? What it sound like? How many words?
I tell her happy birthday every year, right?
Every year.
And every year.
What month of birthday?
I don't remember. I gotta look it back. But every year it's the same comment after I tell her happy birthday.
Oh, okay.
Like, oh, we need to get together.
Shut the fuck up, right?
Then I look back at that shit. They be like, I know we say this all the time, but we need to get together.
And you just do it. You just say.
You just follow old text. This is Axe Tech I got last.
Yeah, same. Happy birthday. I would get it. Yo, I ain't seen you in a while. I need to get together. Happy birthday.
Like, and that's you being a cool
the last
dude.
8 birthdays we said the same.
I say the same thing about time. Man. We all busy. It takes no time to respond back to a text. It don't even take time to spend 30 minutes with somebody and have a bite or a drink or a motherfucking.
You're right, but here's the problem as a single dude, man. When sometimes you just check, they always think you want to smash.
Well, you just like, being cool
sometimes dude. I just want to eat lunch. I'm not trying to smash.
Because motherfuckers don't think motherfuckers got old and fucking evolved. They
think
you the same
you
motherfucker
still pussy
you was
driven.
30 years ago.
You still driving the pussy driven.
You the same motherfucker?
Recently, I was like, yo, I asked somebody to go to lunch, let's go eat and shit. They gonna send me the disclaimer like, this is it. Oh, cool, let's go get something to eat, but we ain't having sex in the car because my back hurt.
I just wanted some goddamn roll tacos.
That's
and broad daylight, right?
Like, I just wanted to catch up, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's pretty hard to have sex in camera, you know what I'm saying?
That's fucked up. Take it on, Keith. Fuck that. Stop that.
Hey, you do know that. Lunch is in the day and shit.
I was throwing off, son.
Hey, yo. That's the funniest fuck, man. Yo, man, we appreciate y'all.
This is my life.
Yo, we know your time is valuable. You could be doing anything with your 30 minutes, man. We love the fact that you spending it with us, man, laughing with us, having a good time with us in this crazy world, man. We love the fact that you're going to take 30 minutes just to let that shit go.
Lunch break.
Laugh with us. In them bags over.
Take a lunch break with Dame in the car.
Bye-bye.
Stop playing with me.
Don't smash.
And then go back to your regular lives, right?
Word.
Yeah, word. Don't send me no disclaimers.
Word. No disclaimers. Continue to follow us on Facebook group. We love you. Instagram, MixxCompany. YouTube every Wednesday. Dash Radio on Fridays. Download the free Dash Radio app. Catch us on the Delicious Vinyl channel, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Case P. Horse and Carriage, we out. Bow.